not working. I don't have the money right now. I will pay you next week. You know, I have an emergency right now. My daughter is in the hospital. You know, next week, promise.
The money right now.
No, promise.
Pay me right now.
No, promise. Parang hindi mo naman ako kilala. Nagmamahal naman ako dati ng utang ko.
Not right now.
No, promise. I don't have the money right now. Wala akong maibigay.
What you got?
No, next week na. Promise.
Okay. Wait now.
Promise, promise, promise. Bye.
Wait. Come back here. Back here.
Wake up!
Oh.
How are you?
Hey. Bro. Hey. Pick up. Hey. Hell no. Somebody! Help!
Oh my gosh,
Help!
someone's killing him!
What are you killing him? I'm doing CPR! Kill!
Pinatay mo siya!
Ha?
Pinatay!
Tumawag ka lang tayo ng 911. Anong police?
Can you stop right there? Hands on the air! Officer, tinutulungan ko lang sir. Stop complaining. Just follow me. Let's go to the prison and explain yourself.
Nangamatay niyo yung tao din!
Hello? Oh, okay. I will go to the police station right now. Alright. Sir?
Yes. Lord, please. Help this innocent child of yours. Please. Prove that I'm innocent. I didn't think you would be wrong. I just don't know what's right.
Sir Mario?
This one.
I am Attorney Cruz. I will be your lawyer and I will help you with your trials. Can you tell me what really happened?
Yes ma'am. Lalakad po ako dun sa kali. May nakita ko kung parang natutulog lang. Then, when I check his pulse, it's so weak. Kaya sinipihan ko siya, tapos tumawag po ako ng tulong, tapos meron po yung si ate. Sabi ko tumawag ng 911, pero tumawag ng polis. Kala niya ata pinatay ko yun. Tapos yun, dumating yung polis. Ngayon ko ipagtanggol yung
I understand. I will help you bring the truth to the court.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hogwarts. That's done.
All rise.
Case 1234, Republic Act of the Philippines versus Mario Santos. First trial begins now. To all parties involved, please be seated. Today, we will discuss the homicide case against Mario Santos. First, we will hear from our witness, Aring Nena. Aring Nena, can you tell the court what you saw on the day of the incident?
Nung araw po na yun, dumaan ako sa kaso, nakita ko po siya talaga na pinapatay niya si Man Bertin. Criminal po siya, pinatay niya si Man Bertin.
have any questions?